Hello friends, how are you? All right, we have this question. Okay, let's solve it together. This is under sets. We are asked to shade the region represented by this set notation here in the Venn diagram. Okay, so we are told that B complement. So B, this is as a complement, so don't need to touch what is inside here. Okay, then we are told to shade A intersect C. Okay, so what is common in A and in C? Now we've discovered that we can see here that C is a subset of A. Okay, so everything that is in C is also what in A. So we can just shade the whole of what? The whole of C, except the part that is C covered, that is also in what? In B. Alright, so this is the answer. Okay, we can't shade this part here. Why? Because it is not part of C. Okay, why you can't shade this part here is because it's also in B, and we're told the B complement, and the complement, it means excluding. So it is as simple as this. Okay, simple. So if you've enjoyed this explanation, remember to subscribe and also like the video. Okay, so